You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. A name of French origin, generally girl's name. It means from the ocean, as you can probably tell. If you want to learn more French pronunciations that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got very fascinating videos for you. Océane is the French pronunciation, the way we say it in France. Océane. Océane. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, I suggest as a pronunciation in English, Océane. Océane. Beautiful name. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.